Hello everyone, welcome to Dubai Miracle Garden. Make sure to take a picture under the Heart Tunnel, one of the most photographed regions at Dubai Miracle Garden. Spend your time here admiring the many fantastic flower themes in the form of a floral castle, a floating lady, a sunflower field, and more.
Entry fees for Dubai. Miracle Garden for adults, 12 plus. AEB 95, Rupee 2147. For kids, 3 to 12 years. AED 80, Rupee 1808. No entry fee to Dubai Miracle Garden for kids under 3 years of age, as well as people of determination. Best time to visit Dubai is between October and March. Best climate is very good.
Marvel at the 15-meter floral clock and take your kids to the all-new Smurfs Village, where you'll be looking for mushroom houses and lovable blue creatures. Rest your legs for a bit and relax in one of the garden's many cabanas, complete with billowing drapes and floor cushions.
The garden was launched on Valentine's Day in 2013. It occupies over 72,000 square meters, 780,000 SQFT, making it the world's largest natural flower garden, featuring over 50 million flowers and 250 million plants. You will be surprised to know that it is a Guinness World Record holder for being the largest floral installation. The concept of the first Miracle Garden project was formed under an agreement between Dubai Land and the Dubai Properties Group Destination. Abdel Nasser Rahal is the creator and co-founder of the Dubai Miracle Garden. He has been successfully heading the Dubai Miracle Garden since its inception in 2013.